Cardiovascular health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, and adopting a lifestyle that promotes a healthy heart can significantly improve your quality of life. Two practices that have gained attention for their potential cardiovascular benefits are intermittent fasting and the incorporation of flax seeds into your diet. In this article, we will explore how these two approaches can work synergistically to boost cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting and cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting, IF, is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. This approach can have several positive effects on cardiovascular health. Weight management, IF, can help with weight loss and the reduction of body fat, which is a key factor in preventing heart disease. Excess body fat is associated with increased risk factors for cardiovascular issues, such as high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Blood sugar control. Fasting periods in IF can improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, a condition that significantly impacts heart health. Inflammation. Reduction. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease. IF has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of cardiovascular conditions. Flax seeds and cardiovascular health. Flax seeds are a rich source of essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. These components make flax seeds particularly beneficial for heart health. Omega-3. Fatty acids. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Fiber. The soluble fiber in flax seeds can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol particles in the digestive tract and promoting their excretion, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Lignans. Flax seeds contain lignans, which have antioxidant properties and may contribute to heart health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Combining intermittent fasting and flax seeds to harness the potential cardiovascular benefits of both intermittent fasting and flax seeds, consider the following tips. Incorporate flax seeds. Add ground flax seeds to your meals. They can be sprinkled on yogurt, blended into smoothies, or used as an egg substitute in baking recipes. Timing matters. Consume flax seeds during your eating windows when practicing intermittent fasting. This ensures that you get the nutrients and heart-healthy components when your body is in a state of digestion and absorption. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, especially when consuming flax seeds, as they absorb liquid and can help you feel full and satisfied during fasting periods. Consult a professional. Before making significant changes to your diet or adopting intermittent fasting, consult a healthcare provider or registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. By combining intermittent fasting with the inclusion of flax seeds in your diet, you can take proactive steps toward improving your cardiovascular health. These practices may help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower inflammation, regulate blood sugar, and promote overall well-being. Remember that consistency and moderation are key, and always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Your heart will thank you for the care you invest in it.